5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, and thank you so much for joining in. This is Arushi from Thoughtsorama, and welcome to Thoughtsorama's YouTube channel. In past few days, a lot of people has been asking me ki when are you going to give another review, when your next review is coming, blah blah blah. So here is it, the next review, and this review is on The Morning Show.
For The Morning Show.
8 seconds to you. Cue her.
Good morning. I'm bringing you some sad and upsetting news. And while I don't know the details of the allegations,
She's throwing me under the bus.
Mitch Kessler, my co-host and partner of 15 years, was fired today.
So The Morning Show is based on the lives of media persons, the reporters, the anchors, basically. So it's for the journalism students. You, my fellows, my classmates, go and watch it. Now, it was a joke. A bad one, I know, but it still was a joke. So comment section में अपनी बुद्धिमती मत दिखाना, please. Before giving out the review, I thought let's just check कि बाकी लोग क्या सोचते हैं. So I searched a bit on Google कि what other people are thinking about. So I read a lot of reviews and people are actually criticizing the show. But in my opinion, I love the show. The one thing I love about this show, well, actually there's a lot of things, but the one thing and the main thing I watched this show is Jennifer Aniston and Reese Witherspoon. These two are the actresses I adore, and after Friends I didn't see them anywhere, so here is it. Friends fan, come on, go and watch. Another thing which is very important in this show is the struggles that women has to go in this industry, and it is very well explained. All the harassments, everything is very well explained.
We would like to share some information about our network.
We believe Fred Micklin to have been central in creating an environment that silenced women who came forward to complain about sexual misconduct.
Those motherfuckers! No!
Explain. I won't give any spoilers. Okay, I won't give any spoilers to this, so just go and watch this. It's a very good show. So the show contains only one season till now because it's just got released. Apple TV got released in November 2019. So another very important thing, that if you don't have an Apple TV, iPhone, MacBook, iPad, this show is not for you. I'm saying this show because this show is available on Apple TV Plus, and Apple TV Plus is pre-installed in Apple products only.
UBA is about to release an internal investigation saying that they have been cleared. This is not true. It is mostly bullshit.
It is all bullshit. It's bullshit, and I'm not going to lie to you anymore. None of us are going to lie to you anymore because I'm as culpable as anyone in terms of not calling out or helping to end the sexual misconduct that goes on in this fucking building.
The show is a groundbreaking reality which everyone should see and which we as an industry needed. It's in the last episode, the 10th episode, the interview. Reese Witherspoon, she was giving her news bulletin, and Jennifer Aniston came and stopped her in between and just destroyed the network, the agency, and told everyone what was the truth, what is happening with the women in the industry and everything. And that scene, the way they both performed, is just amazing.
Hi, sorry. We haven't been honest with you. I mean, not like with the news. I'm not talking about that. I'm actually talking about ourselves.
What the fuck are they doing? Get ready to go to tape early.
We don't tell you everything, even a little bit. I mean, this whole place, it's really different than what it may appear to you. And there are some really bad things going on here. Some really bad things, there are bad people, and...
Are we doing this?
Yeah. You wanna?
We should just tell the truth quickly. They're going to cut us off.
Yes.
We have 1 minute.
And a very big thank you to you guys, because Thoughts-O-Rama has crossed 3,000 hits on our blog. So thank you. So okay, this is the end of this video. I think this is a must-watch show. So if I say it's a must-watch, you don't have any other choice. Just go and watch. Do hit the like button and subscribe to Thoughts-O-Rama. Comment. So this show from my side is actually... Sorry, I'm getting a lot of notifications.